Girly Whirlies, we've made it to skiing. We are skiing. I'm skiing with my family, my mum's sister and my cousins. They're icons really, so hopefully you'll meet them in the vlog, but I don't want to be annoying either. I'm a guest. I'm a guest in this chalet. So let's unpack real quick. They're actually up on the slopes and myself and Madre just got here, so I'm going to quickly unpack, but I just thought I'd check in. I did buy some sunglasses in the airport. But I do just want to talk through how I packed for skiing, because it's very hard to pack for skiing. But I did buy, I treated myself, and Madre approved, I treated myself to these Dior's. I'm obsessed. Look at the case they come in. Hello, perfection. Okay, I really need to wash my face. Maybe I'll bring you into the bathroom. Let's quickly unpack though. There's a lot to unpack here. This is my faux fur from Zara that I got in the sale. I think I talked to you about that. Anyway, okay. Sorry, the box that the glasses came in on, and I just had the yummiest crepe ever. Just arrived and got a crepe. Perfection. Let's start unpacking. I just bought one bikini because I don't think, so we're here for 4 nights. Usually with skiing you do like Saturday to Saturday, so obviously the family are doing Saturday to Saturday, we're just doing 4 days. So I brought just one bikini because I don't think I'll be in much water. Might do 1 jacuzzi, 1 pool day, okay? So for the slopes, I have my North Face, and I brought this for Madre, so we'll share this one. We'll share both of them probably. I had to put her in a North Face. I said, Madre, don't go buy any puffers. We're going to be in our North Faces. Queen. Okay, I'm just shoving things in for next. I just want to unpack for you. Let's just pop them up there for now. Girlies, you might have seen the hat that Rashid made for me. She made me these earmuffs. I cannot cope. I know I look a little bit crazy right now, but these are going to be iconic and keep me so warm. In Leger right now, it's actually not that snowy. Like, the village is pretty much ground, which actually makes life so much easier. Because I just went out in my little Ugg boots there. Whereas when I've been skiing before, it was so snowy that just to get a crepe, you'd need gloves, hat, boots, the whole shebang. So it's quite nice having it, like, it's sunny and mild, which is stunning. I have my Zara suit. I showed you this in one of my hauls. I got this a while ago in preparation. And then I have a pair of trousers from Colombia. I got these on ASOS. They're fab. You'll see everything on me as the day goes by, but this is just kind of a unpacking haul. And then I just brought loads of gym gear as thermals. I have thermals and just gym gear. So these like yoga pants from Bound Apparel, obsessed. They're an Irish Girly Whirly brand with the matching zip top. Another pair of leggings, a pair of thermal leggings that I got on ASOS, and another pair of Bound gym leggings, because you just kind of live in leggings. Even when you're going out and about, you're just always in leggings. So we've lots of leggings, ski socks, lots of socks, ski socks and gloves, goggles, slay. I just got these on Amazon. I got my gloves on Amazon as well. Slay. More long sleeve tops, some lovely bits from Adenola. I love Adenola. I ordered the Adenola unitard, but it didn't arrive in time. I'm so upset, but at least it's a little treat to go home too. I'm excited for that. And then I just have like lots of fun hats and stuff for myself and Madre, and my cousins can steal them as well. North Face beanies. I overpacked because I had the space. You know when you had the space, so you just do it. Okay, knitwear for evening time, for dinners. Pair of jeans, pair of trousers for dinners. I actually should have packed more evening clothes, but it doesn't matter. These are my favourite pyjamas from ASOS Topshop. Obsessed. I bring these everywhere I go. For a nice dinner outfit, I have this Princess Polly top you might have seen before. It's very hard to describe. So it's the sleeves and the bandeau, and then I'll just wear a cute little scarf with it. It's giving dressy but winter. Is this a snood? Yeah, I got a snood from H&M. I love this. Very cute for under the jackets, etc. Just for warmth. Even though, like, it's not that cold out there. Obviously up on the slopes, up on the mountains, it's cold, but I'm even warm right now doing this. I have a spare tracksuit for chilling as well. Makeup and toiletries, Dyson and hairsprays, deo for the BO. Okay, girlies, that's mostly it. Let's do our skincare. Welcome to the bathroom. We're living the life here, girlies. This is divine. This is divine. The last time I went skiing, the one and only time I've been skiing was a drunk college trip. So this is a 5-star upgrade. This is boosh. So I did a little TikTok about these Boots travel minis. I'm obsessed. So let's do skincare. So I need to cleanse my skin. Just, you know, after a travel day. Now, to be fair, myself and Madre had the most gorgeous travel day. Everything went swimmingly. You know, when everything... Eddie's gonna let me down. You know when everything just goes so well? Everything went great. We got to the airport in plenty of time, checked on our bags, sat and had a Butler's. I had a hot chocolate sheet of tea, that's our ritual. And it was actually so fun to be like her airport mom, because she's the airport mom. I was the airport mom today. I had the check-in, boarding passes, the passports. It was very fun. So I think it's about 4 o'clock. Is it maybe going on 5 o'clock now? So as I said, the family have been up on the slope. So we obviously missed the day of skiing today. So we will be out there sleighing tomorrow. So I'm not sure what the plan is today. Can't wait to see them. Can't wait to see the family. We'll have a great old time. You'll definitely meet Elise. I think you've met Elise before, very briefly. She's an icon. She is a legend, and she is the moment. So we're gonna have lots of fun. I think we're gonna get massages done. I think I would love a back massage. Okay, skin update, girlies. Perioral dermatitis is being very good. Breakouts are doing okay. We just have a little bit going. It's fine, tiny. It's been the 6 months since coming off the pill, and my skin is actually pretty much obeying me right now, and we're very grateful. We won't jinx up. I've stopped toning my face in the morning or during the day, just at night time. So hyaluronic acid sculpted by Amy, and I'm loving this Bioma moisturising gel cream as moisturiser. Delicious. And then I'll do SPF. Well, actually, it's evening time. Controversial. Okay. Let's just put on our hyaluronic acid anyway. So I'll do toner tonight. I used to do it day and night, or like liquid exfoliant, but it's too harsh on my skin. I just need to do it once a day, and that's fine. If even every day, maybe every second day. I can see my memory card flashing at me. Why? Okay, I'll go now, girlies. We are freshened up. I'm gonna hop in the shower. Why did I just do this before showering? Why did I just do this before showering? Oh my god. Anyway. I'm not washing my hair, but I need a body shower. Anyway, okay. I love you. We'll check back in. Mwah. Love you.
So I'm gonna put this
on fire. I've had.
Hold on, I need
No,
water.
you're talking.
Tell me how good.
Probably a sick
I need water. Okay.
Do you have yours?
Salut, Santa.
Salut.
Okay. Oh my god. You didn't do.
Madre, how do I say it? Salopets.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Salopets. And okay, I'm wearing a little tee because we're not doing thermals, because it's actually really warm up there on the slopes apparently. I'll let you know how that goes, but listen, I'm the noob here, so I'll do what I'm told in muffs, and we're gonna do North Face. We have the moon boots. So I have no thermals on underneath the salopets. So this is the vibe. Cute. I'm obviously not going to bring the camera up the slopes, but I'll try to get some bits on my phone for you.
Okay, would you bring it if you had a backpack?
No, I still wouldn't trust myself. Hi girlies, is it going to be loud out here? Oh no, it's going to be too loud. We're just by a road. Girlies, we're having a ball. Myself and Madre, we had a ball this morning. The cousins are still out there sleighing those slopes, because they're like black slopes. Myself and Madre did a blue slope, and it was great. Few falls. Madre did give me fright. I thought she was concussed gonzo, but she's okay, she survived. So we thought we would not break any limbs today, because we have more days to be skiing. So we've come back, had a lovely body shower. I'll wash my hair later. The sweat, girls, the sweat. So I did a little TikTok of changing this morning, and so I actually didn't even wear this long sleeve. This is Bound, and I'm in my cute little yoga pants from Bound. I'm obsessed, but I didn't even wear this long sleeve. I wore this North Face and just a t-shirt, and because usually, you know, I've packed all the thermals. It's usually really cold, but the weather is just so nice. It's so sunny that we were in a sweat. Like, my hair was wet, so I was delighted. I just wore a t-shirt up there and the jacket, and obviously the salopettes. Is that what you call them? Anyway, but it was so sweaty. So I had a lovely shower. Myself and Madre are gonna go explore the town. She's gagging for a cup of tea. Maybe I'll get a little Aperol. But oh my god, I wish I had footage for you. Elise might have some. Elise definitely has footage of me going down on my bum. A lot of falls. But then when you get the hang of it, we were flying. We're learning. We're doing good. It kind of comes back to you, like, even though I don't remember much of my drunk college trip because I was drunk the whole time, I'm much better this time. But we were meant to do a lesson, but we kind of fucked the booking of the lesson, so we might do a lesson tomorrow. But I would recommend, if you're a beginner, do a lesson. It's obviously the smartest way to do it, the best way to do it. It's probably just dangerous not to. So we're just living life on edge out here. Anyway, so we'll bring you into the town. Skiing is the vibe, girls. I really highly recommend. Just loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. I love you. Vlog, Madre.
Well, with my hair up like this and not
You
so,
look beautiful.
I'm not so sure now.
You're so mean to yourself. Madre's being a hater to herself. Towards herself. Which is shocking, because where did I get the self-love thing from? Well, from you.
Yeah,
but
yeah, I kept telling
she
you. Yeah,
just doesn't give it to
exactly.
herself.
It just doesn't come from me internally, yeah. I want everybody else to love themselves, yeah.
That's what you preach, Mama. Good morning, girlies. Getting ready for another day. Just ski. Very important. Okay, SPF, girls. Illumia Clear Shield SPF. I'm swollen. My face is so swollen right now. Very early in the morning. But do your SPF every morning and bring some with you to top it up. A spray one is ideal if you're wearing makeup. Put it in your little pocket or bring a little bag up. But I didn't get myself organised. I don't have a little bum bag or a backpack, but that is ideal if you're going up slopes to have a little bag with you. Just makes things easier. Bring a little hairbrush. You know the bits. And then lip SPF. It's in my lip SPF is inside. It's by ASAP. It's ASAP skincare. ASAP skincare. ASAP. SPF lip balm is essential, and bring that on slopes with you because the sun is shining and you can burn very easily. So I'm just doing a bit of makeup for the day. I'm wearing the Dior Backstage, and I actually did the underpainting. So I did my contour wand, or I did my bronzing stick from Rare Beauty, Always Sunny. Then I did Rare Beauty concealer, and then I did Dior Backstage, and then I did my blush combo, which is Hope, Rare Beauty, and the Drunk Elephant Drops. And then I'll just do my brows, bit of mascara, powder, good to go. I'm gonna slick my hair back today, and I'll wash it later, but we'll do a slick under the helmet is ideal because it gets so sweaty. My hair was wet after wearing the helmet yesterday, so we'll do a slick bun today, or you have to kind of slick it and wear it low for the helmet, and then I'll wash it later. Hair slick Rick, and I have this cutie. I got this on Amazon actually, I think like a year ago. Oh, that's backwards, hold on. I got this on Amazon actually last year. Very cute. So we'll bring that up with us today, just for the cute, for the vibes, for the warmth. I'm gonna wear the sunnies on the slopes. I have goggles on my helmet, but yesterday I actually didn't use the goggles and just had sunnies on, which was perfect. So that's the vibe.
It's so you can perfect your technique. This is the critique. We can send this to Sambe! We'll send it to Sambe.
Yes, this is amazing. It's a fabulous place. Sorry, Kat, did you not do the...
Love you. Hello my gorgeous girlies. This is our final day of skiing. So I'm in my Zara full set. What's like a ski suit? Zara ski suit. Let me show you. It's you know, it's cute. Little ski pass in here on the left. My sleeve. When I picture a ski suit, I picture like the cool 90s one. But you know that 90s style vibe, but this is like a, it's kind of like a skinny full fit body fit. What you call it? Bodycon. You know what I mean. It's very warm. I don't need thermals underneath this. It is colder today though, so I'll wear the puffer, whereas I couldn't have done this outfit yesterday. It was too warm, but it is colder today and it is going to rain, so we have to beat the rain. So we get up on the slopes because I don't want to be skiing in the rain. I can barely ski as it is in the sun. So I think, do I have footage of skiing? Maybe I've put it in already, or I've put it in here. It's gas. My cousin Elise is, oh my god, I don't know if you've met her yet still. We meet her today. She's amazing. So she's unreal at skiing, so she's been able to film me falling and struggling the whole time. It's cute. I'm getting makeup all over myself already. Oopsies. Me in all white is never gonna work. It's fine. Headband, I can't remember where I got this, Claire's or something last year. And I literally remembered it last minute. Heading out the door for the airport, I was like, oh, I need a headband. And I'm delighted I bought it. Because in a helmet, it gets so sweaty that I think this is just gonna help. Just gonna hide the helmet hair because I'm just stay like this for the day. And I did a slicked bun yesterday and that was good, but I actually think this is gonna be the best way to do it. So I'll let you know. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Definitely gonna get a bit lit today. Apres, need an Apres by the Slopies. Anyway, I'll bring you with. I love ya. Bye. Lay Queen, what are you making for the girlies?
Bruschetta. I'm slaying over here with the bruschetta ready.
There was gondola after gondola after gondola, and they asked me.
It's like we eat this and then we're doing Never Have I Ever with the fam.
Slay. Never. It's giving Salt Bay.
I've been waiting all trip.
She's been talking about bread out.
Oh my god.
All week.
Oh.
Not all day, all week. Pose, give me a little...
Look at her, she is delicate.
Hi girlies, I'm just going to talk over me and Elise because we're just drunk. But this is the end of the vlog. I'm in New York right now. So the next vlog is going to be a New York vlog with Benefit. And I'll see you then. I am so sorry for the chaos. I love you. Bye.